Hi, today we will teach you how to wiring IP apartment outdoor station. These two outdoor stations, same function, just appearance different. Also, the backside interface is same. So today, we will take this outdoor station as example to teach you how to wiring. Firstly, let's learn power for outdoor station. Power cable, 2-core cable connect with power. Let's see the details. DC 12 to 15 watt, 5 amp. Firstly, connect 2-core cable with power. Red connect with plus, 12 watt. Blue connect with GND. Then connect power cable with 2-core. Red connect with red. Black connect with blue. Then connect insulation tape to prevent short circuit. Connect well. Then the power cable connect with outdoor station here. Power on. Then connect indoor monitors. We will use non-standard POE to transfer data and power for indoor monitors. Firstly, power for POE. Red light means power successfully. Then use RJ45 interface, Cat6 cable, connect outdoor station with POE. Connect uplink. Connect well. Then connect two POE together. Connect uplink. Now use RJ45 interface Cat6 cable connect indoor monitor with POE. Connect indoor monitor is left 4 port 1, 2, 3, 4. Power on. Connect second indoor monitor. Connect third indoor monitor. Connect fourth indoor monitor. All power on. So apartment 4 system connect well. Before delivery from our factory, our engineer will program up everything well. You can set room number by yourself. Firstly, connect system set. Enter system passcode 6digit 6. Okay. Connect extension. Delete all the numbers. Please enter extension number 01 error, 01 building, 01 unit, 0001 room. 01 means number 1 indoor monitor. Okay. Set successfully. Back to check room number. Click user set. Click system info. Extension code set here well. Then set number 2 indoor monitor. Click system 6. 6digit 6 passcode. Click extension. Delete the number. 01 error, 01 building, 01 unit, 0002 room, 01 number 1 indoor monitor. Okay. Setting successfully. Check user set. Click system info. Show the extension code. Then set number 3 indoor monitor. Click system set. 6digit 6 passcode. Okay. Click extension. Delete. Enter 01 error, 01 building, 01 unit, 0003 room, 01 number 1 indoor monitor. Okay. Setting successfully. Connect user set. Connect system info check. Extension code set successfully. Then set number 4 indoor monitor. Connect system set. Passcode 6digit 6. Okay. Click extension. Delete all the number. Set 01 error, 01 building, 01 unit, 0004 room, 01 number 1 indoor monitors. Okay. Setting successfully. Click user set. Click system info. Check extension code here. Well. So for in the monitor's room number set well, then we can call from outdoor station to test. Go to number 1 in the monitor. Then enter 2. Confirm. Go to number 2. Turn up. Enter 3. Confirm. Go to number 3 in the monitors. Turn up. Enter 4. Confirm. Go to number 4 in the monitors. Have you learned? Also in the monitor can use power adapter to charge if don't use non-standard POE to power, but must need connect with normal Ethernet switch to transfer data. Power for normal Ethernet switch. Green light means power successfully. Then connect outdoor station with any port of Ethernet switch. Then connect in the monitor with switch. Then use adapter to power for in the monitor. Connect here. Power on for in the monitor. Then connect second in the monitor. Also use adapter. Connect here. Power on. Then, as before, I teach you set the room number. Set the room number well, then call to test. Enter 1, confirm. Go to number 1 in the monitor. Hang up. Enter 2, confirm. Go to number 2 in the monitor. Have you learned it?